We are going to make coffee ground tea. What? I know.
What does coffee ground tea do for houseplants? Coffee grounds add vital nitrogen to the soil that allows plants to absorb water and nutrients. Acid-loving plants in particular love coffee grounds because they will lower the pH level of soil, causing it to become more acidic.
Hey, planty friends, my name is Morgan. Thanks for joining me on Plant Addict. If you want to keep up to date on all things planty, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started.
Start with used coffee grounds.
Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to keep up to date on all things planty, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Happy planting.